Well, here we are back at the M&F property. It's been a while since I've done a video on this one, but as you can see, it's a lot different to what it was. We've got the new concrete flooring in. You remember over there where all the cracks were in the floor. That's all got, I would say, at least a quarter of a metre of concrete in it, or possibly more, yeah, with steel meshing underneath, all the way through the property, and also black plastic as well, transparent plastic, I should say, for the damp. As you can see here, we've had to build a secondary wall inside because of the state of the outside wall. The outside wall, although it is doing a certain amount of work, it's obviously not supporting as much as what it should be supporting as far as lintels are concerned, yeah. So anyway, we've got all the flooring down, all the old cabling and everything else is all being pulled out. That's all got to be put in. The radiators are going. See if I can open up in here. A little bit of light in. This has all been skimmed up, ready for tiling. The water supply is going to be changed. We have new door frames going in. First fixings, obviously, onto here, and then the second fixings with the new doors once all the floor is tiled. See if I can open up in here a bit. We still have more work to do in this room. As you can see, the wall was, there was a wardrobe here, you know, fitted wardrobe, and the fitted wardrobe, once it was taken away, we found a big crack in the wall here, from top to bottom. So that has all got to be taken out and toothed back in again and repaired. The walls have now got concrete and steel underneath the walls, whereas it didn't have before. You can see here, there was no concrete underneath the walls or steel, and we have now. So really the whole property, this here, was also hiding a multitude of sins, and is this wall here as well. We've got to take all of this paper off and repair the wall behind it. But it's looking a lot better. There's a lot more concrete down. The amount of concrete we pumped in, I think was about 20 cubic meters, I think. See? We've got a little friendly here. Hola. Vente. Ven. Vente para acá. Vente. Vente para acá. Vente. Vente. Venga. Vamos. Vamos. Got a stray couple, two stray dogs around the property. I've just given them 2 big tins of food each, which I bring up every day when the builders are here. And they're starting to fill out nicely now because they were skin and bone before. Wouldn't you? You wouldn't even come to people. Eh? Now with some food. Yeah, a bit of kindness. Yeah, you're starting to come to people now, aren't you? This would be a lovely dog. If she was bathed. She's got a lovely nature. She was bathed and had a visit to the vet. She'd be a beautiful dog. Wouldn't you? Eh? Aquesta guapita. Aquesta guapitona. Aquesta guapitona. Yeah, beautiful. Such a little softie. I don't know how the Spanish can treat their dogs the way they treat them sometimes. Not all Spanish, but some Spanish. It's just diabolical. Never see me treating my dogs that way, that's for sure. In here, there is no foundation underneath here. This has all now been reinforced with concrete and steel. And over here, this little area here has got to be finished. Because the concrete is slightly thinner in this area here as the house goes down on a natural incline, or the land goes down on a natural incline. Obviously this part of the house up here hasn't got much depth, and as you go down you've got more depth, yeah? Again, first fixings for doors to go in. There is no concrete underneath the walls in there. It was all just hanging, yeah? So there we go, so it's looking a lot better. I better go and see what's going on outside. What I'll do is I'll get the pasa. ¿Qué te pasa? Eh? ¿Qué te pasa? As you can see, we've got the where the dog sat there. There's one of the concrete piles. That's about just over 2 meters deep. Goes right back in under the wall of the house and under the floor into the property. We've got another one there that goes right back inside the property. This wall here needs completely repairing, and if you see down the end here, you can see the state of the wall as it was previously, yeah? Hence we've got all of the acro props up. And you're here as well, are you? Yeah, you're here as well. ¿Tú estás aquí también, los dos? ¿Tú estás aquí también? ¿Sí? Ya lo sé, ya lo sé. Es que no hay comida. No hay más comidas, ¿no? Mañana voy a traer más. Oh, mañana voy a traer más. Ahí, fuera, venga, quita el vídeo. I've been bringing them up food for quite a while now, and this one here was skin and bone. No, eso no. Eso no. No. No, you can't go playing with pipes. No. This one was all skin and bone, this one was. This one wasn't too bad, was he? He's the more dominant one. So I think he was getting all of the food and she was missing out. But now I give them their food separately. And she's starting to fill out now. You still see she's a bit thin on the back there, but she's starting to fill out nicely now. And chill, eh? See? Sí, te gusta la cámara. Te gusta la cámara. They won't leave me alone, buddy. So here we got a lot of sand. As you can see, this is all for a lot of the re-rendering of most of the walls. Some for the terrace around here. Come on, venga. Another more concrete here going underneath and in underneath the property. Here, this has got to be, we've got to work on this wall in here. That's going to need some work doing on it. We've knocked all of the balustrading we've knocked down because the balustrading was pulling, as you can see, and you'll see in my other videos, the balustrading was pushing out that way, yeah, and it was pulling this with it. So we've had to get rid of all the balustrading up to here, to the wall there, which has not been affected, nor of the steps. We're going to be, this is the water tank, but we're pretty sure that the water tank has got lintels coming from here across to the wall here, which we don't want. We don't want the weight of this water tank pulling this out. So a lot of this water tank, this wall over here, is going to be taken away. The roof is going to be taken off, and we're going to just leave the two walls on the end. And on the base, what's left, we're going to put two water tanks on the base, which will be a lot lighter load than what there currently is there at the moment. And the rest of it is all just basically ongoing works, as you can see. The old air conditioning units are going. New air conditioning being put in. All this has to be repaired here, obviously. And all of the terracing down through there has to be repaired as well. What I'll do is I'll put some pictures in with this video. I'll put some pictures in here and there, so it'll give you a sort of a before and after idea of what's been going on here. Yeah, we're still keeping those up at the moment, although these big piles here have been here for a long time. We still want them to dry out completely because they're very deep, and you've got the same width here coming out. You've got the same width coming in here, yeah, inside. So we want to give it plenty of time to dry out before we start taking any acro props down. So that is about it really. That is the state of play on this one. It's taking a while to get done, but there's a lot of work that needs doing. A lot of work, as you could see in the previous videos. Okay, well I'll catch you on the next one, and hope you're all doing well. Bye for now.